Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Saurabh Sharma. Welcome to Basic and Advanced Excel program. So, basic of Excel. What is Excel and the use of Excel? We learn the BODMAS system, data formatting like colors, forms, bullets, creating, editing, saving of workbooks. So, what is Excel? So, Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that allows users to organize a data, complete calculation, make a decision graph data, and develop the professional looking reports. So, Excel is a basically a calculations, data analysis, and store the raw data. Is the first is bracket to resolve that the order, divide, multiply, add, and subtraction. So we call the BODMAS rule as a BEMA. So it's helpful to acronym meaning brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, ensuring that equation steps are completed in the right order. A mathematical questions with the multiple operations may give a different answer depending on the order which it is solved. What is formula and what is function? We have a formula. Formula is expression which calculate the value of a cell. Example: a1 plus a2 plus a3 add a value in a cell. Formula is a combination of operators, operands, and a functions. And function is a function of predefined formula and are already available in Excel. Example: sum is predefined in Excel. So we write the sum and start the bracket a1 a3. Use some functions to return a sum of values in a1 go through a3 formula. So here is example. You can see that example where in one of the Excel sheet we have the numbers in the cells. So in the cell is 12, 14 and 56 is A2, A3 and A4 cell. We write the equal sign and then A2 select the A2 then plus A3 plus A4. That's called a formula. We don't read this. And the function is we have a same values of numbers and we write the equal sign and write the SU sum. Then bracket start A4 select the range. Basics we are doing and let's suppose we have one of the worksheet here. I'm clicking here that's called a name box. We have a name box. In a name box we that's so B8. So A B C D F G H, these alphabets are all are the columns and the numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's all are the rows. The intersection of row and the column. Let's suppose here is I'm writing the 12 and the address is shows B8 and in the formula bar that's called a formula bar. So that show the 12 number. So in a B8 and the value in B8 is a 12. So anything we writing in the cell that show in the formula bar. So intersection of row and the column that's called a cell. If you want to jump to one sheet to another sheet, let's suppose I'm going to another sheet, then press Control plus paste down, expose the next sheet right. Here is the next example. We are doing the basic of Excel. So let's suppose I have here we have shortcuts also. So we are doing the shortcuts and we are doing some basic calculation here. suppose I'm doing a formula. So I'm creating the formula. So I have to write the equal first sign. So anything you want to calculate in Excel, you must have to write a equal or plus for formula and function both. So let's suppose I'm doing the calculation. I'm creating a formula here. So first I'm selecting the F2 cell plus F3 cell plus F4 cell plus F5 cell plus F6 plus F7 plus F8 plus F9 plus F10 plus F11 plus F12. So when I'm enter and when I'm click, then they show the result of sum of these all the ranges. So that's called a formula. Let's try